हेलो सोल फैमिली, कैसे हैं आप लोग। और आज मैं एक नया रिव्यू लेके आई हूँ। और ये डेक है नोट्स फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स ऑन लव एंड कनेक्शंस। ये 60 कार्ड्स का डेक है और ये माइक डूली का है। और ये मैंने bookswagon.com से ख़रीदा था और एज़ कम्पेयर टू अमेज़ॉन मुझे बुक्स वैगन पे ये आई थिंक थोड़ा चीप मिला था। बुक्स वैगन पे आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। मुझे ये डेक आई थिंक ऑर्डर करने के हफ्ते भर में आ गया था। और इस डेक के साथ कोई गाइड बुक नहीं आती है, ये कार्ड्स आते हैं। और कार्ड्स के ऊपर एक छोटा मैसेज लिखा हुआ है और पीछे कार्ड्स के उस मैसेज को एक्सप्लेन करते हुए थोड़े डिटेल्स दिए गए हैं। ये डेक काफ़ी टाइम तक आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था। और बहुत मेहनत करने के बाद, बहुत वेट करने के बाद ये डेक मुझे मिला है। तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी जब ये डेक मेरे पास आया था। और इस डेक को मैंने बहुत यूज़ किया है अपनी रीडिंग्स के लिए और मुझे ये डेक बहुत पसंद है। ये डेक बिगनर फ्रेंडली भी है, तो थोड़ा इंट्यूशन का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा आपको इस डेक को यूज़ करते टाइम। लेकिन अगर आप काफ़ी टाइम से टारो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और आपका इंट्यूशन अच्छा है तो ये डेक आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा। चलिए देखते हैं। तो हर कार्ड मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी, फ्रंट बैक दोनों। और क्योंकि 60 कार्ड्स है तो ये वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो सकता है, तो प्लीज़ थोड़े पेशेंस रखिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ड्वेल ऑन वॉट यू लव। Asking someone to change is like pruning a tree. Neither will ever be the same again. Scarier still is that you can't quite know in what new directions they'll grow. I wouldn't change a leaf on you, the universe. Next card. That you have options is meaningful. Rock on. अब पीछे जो लिखा है वो ये है, इफ आई कुड मेक जस्ट टू विशेज I'd wish I could somehow convey to you the profound depths of my gratitude for every moment of your life. I'd also wish that you could somehow know of your unimaginable importance, just as you now are to the lives of so very many. And of course, I'd wish for even more wishes. Oh, shoot, you were such a good idea, the universe. Time to make a demonstration. The older the soul, the softer the glance, the quicker the smile, and the sooner to say I love you. They also skip and wink more than normal and hold hands with those they walk beside. Utterly fearless, the universe. You'll find what you seek. If you've ever suddenly found and been loved by someone amazing, awesome, fun, and fantastic, chances are astronomical you will again. If you haven't yet found such a person, chances are astronomical you will. It's up to you. Your treasure is at hand. Sure, you can always find prettier, handsomer, skinnier, wiser, richer, younger, zipper. But more often than not, one learns the most, laughs and the loudest, and smiles the wildest with those they've already found, especially when they stop looking somewhere. Actual zipper is on quite a few lists. Talio, the universe. You are being watched by loving eyes. What if you're actually an ancient gladiator of love and joy who agreed to visit Earth during these primitive years to spark some new thinking, share a few smiles, and help others discover they too are awesome? Just saying, the universe. P.S. Up for a just? Of course, with rubber thingies. Do something new, something different. Ever notice how it's easier to fall in love and to be fallen in love with when you're busy? Thank goodness I am you, the universe. You have more options than you realize. It sure is hard to get really angry at someone when you can think of all the reasons you love them. And you can, the universe. Give yourself much more credit. O stranger, then strange prepotence to ponder. Those in great relationships aren't always those who are good at relationships, and those in challenging relationships aren't always those who are bad in relationships. Oh, see, wow. Even though I used preponderance inaptly, this one is really good. Please ponder the universe. Turn on your love light. तो अब से हम केवल वो लाइंस पढ़ेंगे जो कार्ड के फ्रंट में लिखी हुई हैं. यू नीडंट वरी, you've got time. Change is always good. What you give will come back. Be true to yourself. Everyone is doing their best. Time for a love fest. Start where you are. I heart you. It's not only about being right. You know what to do. Most people are just trying to survive. You are destined for greatness on the wings of love. You were born with the it quality. See me in their eyes. Love is never in vain. They choose you. Karma is on your side. Love in spite of it all. Love is the reason. Convince yourself, not others. Yee, ha 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 ha. Love doesn't have to mean near. Honor thyself. You are adored. You will be surprised. Things are about to get really juicy. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. You might not know, but you will. Forgive. There isn't a soul on the planet who doesn't crave your approval. Pucker up, buttercup. Earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for the great stuff coming your way. Prepare to be astounded. You have what it takes. I go where you go. You glow, we beam, thanks. There's a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. All there is to love has been there all along. Sometimes the good is hidden. Hubba hubba. Don't be misled. What would love do? Create space for new love. Those you love you. Keep it simple. It's not as if you need anyone. Things are not as they appear. No two flowers are the same, yet all are beautiful in their own way. If they once loved you, they still do. तो हमने सारे कार्ड्स देख लिए कि सारे कार्ड्स पे क्या लिखा है. तो अगर आप ये कार्ड्स खरीदने का सोच रहे हैं तो आपको एक जनरल आइडिया लग गया होगा कि ये कार्ड्स कैसे हैं, कार्ड्स पे क्या क्या लिखा है. और अगर आप ये कार्ड्स परचेज करते हैं तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिख के बताइएगा। और मैं जल्दी मिलूंगी आपको नए रिव्यू वीडियोस के साथ। तब तक टेक केयर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, बी हैप्पी, थैंक यू।